Why non-disclosure agreement matters. The non-disclosure agreement is a legal contract that protects confidential information from being shared or misused. It safeguards business ideas, client data, and trade secrets, ensuring trust with legal backing. In today's fast-paced world, an NDA is essential for startups, professionals, and investors who share sensitive information. What exactly is an NDA? An NDA, non-disclosure agreement, is a contract, a formal, legally binding document. It ensures that any information shared between two parties stays private and is used only for the agreed purpose. For example, a startup pitching to investors uses an NDA to protect its business plan. A company hiring a software developer uses an NDA to protect its code. Two firms working on a joint project sign an NDA to keep strategies secret. In short, NDAs turn informal trust into a legal responsibility. Types of NDAs commonly used in India. There are mainly three kinds of NDAs, depending on who's sharing what. One unilateral NDA, only one party shares confidential info, and the other agrees to protect it. Common in employer-employee contracts or investor presentations. Two bilateral, or mutual, NDA, both sides share confidential data, and both agree to keep it secret. Typical in mergers, acquisitions, and business partnerships. 3 multilateral NDA, 3 or more parties involved, for example, multiple collaborators or vendors. Saves time and paperwork compared to signing multiple bilateral NDAs. Key clauses. Every NDA must have first definition of confidential information, clearly specify what counts as confidential, examples client data, trade secrets, financial details. Second, obligations of the receiving party. The recipient must keep information secret, use it only for agreed purposes, and limit access to authorized persons. Third, exclusions. Information already public or previously known isn't treated as confidential. Fourth, duration of confidentiality. Define how long confidentiality lasts. Trade secrets may be indefinite, others typically 2 to 5 years post-termination. Fifth, dispute resolution. State how and where disputes will be resolved, arbitration, mediation, or court jurisdiction. These clauses form the backbone of a legally sound and enforceable NDA. Legal enforceability in India. NDAs in India are governed by the Indian Contract Act, 1872, which requires free consent, lawful purpose, and competent parties for validity. However, under Section 27, any clause that unreasonably restricts trade or employment is void. So, an NDA cannot stop someone from using their general skills or starting a lawful business. Additionally, under the Information Technology Act, 2000, Sections 43 or 72, unauthorized disclosure of electronic data can attract penalties and even imprisonment. This means NDAs aren't just civil agreements. In some cases, breaches can carry criminal consequences as well. When an NDA is breached, first send a legal notice, ask the violating party to stop the breach immediately and compensate for any losses. Second, approach the court if needed. You can file a civil suit to seek an injunction to prevent further disclosure and claim damages for financial loss. In serious cases involving data misuse under the Act, 2000, criminal action may also apply. Pro tip: stamping and notarizing an NDA isn't mandatory but adds strong evidentiary value in court. Best practices for drafting a strong NDA. Identify parties clearly, include full names, addresses, and legal status. Be specific, define exactly what counts as confidential information. Avoid overly broad terms, keep restrictions fair and realistic. Add a non-use clause and show confidential data is used only for the agreed purpose. Update regularly, review NDAs annually to reflect legal and business changes. Seek legal advice. A qualified lawyer can tailor clauses to your specific needs and industry. Final thought: protecting trust with law. NDAs turn trust into a legally enforceable safeguard. They protect your ideas, data, and competitive advantage. Whether you are an entrepreneur, employee, or investor, always sign before you share, because in today's world, confidentiality is currency, and an NDA is your best insurance against its loss. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more such legal insights.